The realm of robotics is witnessing a significant transformation, with leading tech giants like Boston Dynamics and Tesla pushing the boundaries of what humanoid robots can achieve. The latest offerings from these companies, the new electric Atlas and Tesla's Optimus, highlight a future where robots could seamlessly integrate into various aspects of human life, from industrial applications to daily chores. Boston Dynamics recently upgraded their Atlas robot to a fully electric model, enhancing its agility, strength, and efficiency. This new Atlas shuns the hydraulic actuation system of its predecessors in favor of compact, powerful electric motors that improve its responsiveness and mobility. Equipped with advanced sensors, including LiDAR and depth sensors, Atlas can navigate complex environments with a precision that mimics human movement, but with capabilities that exceed our own. The robot's model predictive control system allows it to predict and adjust its movements in real time, showcasing impressive feats of balance and dexterity that could one day see it performing tasks ranging from construction to delicate assembly lines tasks. On the other side of the spectrum, Tesla introduced Optimus, a robot that aims to revolutionize labor economics by performing less dangerous repetitive tasks that humans would rather avoid. Optimus is designed to be more than just a manufacturing tool. It's envisioned as a general-purpose robot that could one day help in homes and businesses, handling everything from grocery shopping to more complex manual tasks. In its early demonstrations, Optimus showed potential for smooth movement and interaction with various objects, suggesting a future where robots could assist in both professional and domestic environments. While both robots are designed to handle objects and navigate real-world environments, their core functionalities highlight different priorities. Atlas is more focused on complex, dynamic tasks, where mobility and adaptability are crucial, such as navigating rough terrain or performing in disaster response scenarios. Its athletic capabilities are tuned for environments that require high agility and robust physical interaction, potentially making it ideal for industrial applications that demand precision and reliability under challenging conditions. By contrast, Tesla's Optimus is tailored more towards everyday utility and interaction within human environments, potentially making it a more familiar presence in ordinary settings. Although currently less agile than Atlas, the vision for Optimus includes a broad range of tasks that would integrate more deeply into human routines, emphasizing its role as a multi-purpose companion. The advancements in robotic technologies, as demonstrated by Atlas and Optimus, also bring forth questions regarding the future of work, ethics in robotics, and how society will adapt to these new helpers. As these robots evolve, they will likely catalyze shifts in the job market, necessitating discussions about retraining and shifts in job functions. Moreover, the integration of such robots into everyday life raises significant ethical considerations concerning privacy, security, and the socio-economic impacts of widespread automation. The race to refine robotic capabilities is not just about creating machines that can undertake human tasks, but also about redefining the interaction between humans and technology. Boston Dynamics' Atlas and Tesla's Optimus represent two leading edges of this evolution, each with its own strategic focus and potential impact on society. As these technologies progress, they promise to reshape our physical and economic landscapes in profound ways, ushering in a new era of robotic innovation. So, what do you think? Is the world ready for this next-gen robotic revolution? Share your views in the comments down below, and make sure to hit that like and subscribe and ring that bell icon. Until next time, keep the spark alive!